Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log into your Full Sail online account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type Full Sail online login and hit on enter right now. Now this is the link that you should follow that says Full Sail University, Full Sail Online. Simply click on this button right here. It's gonna redirect you to this new page of login of FSO, that is Full Sail University. Simply click on this login button right here. Now it's going to ask you to enter your email address and password right here. In case you have any problems with your logging in, click on this button that says Need Assistance, click on it and follow the prompts. That way you can again regain access to your account. Now let's simply enter our credentials. Once everything's okay, simply hit on this login button right here and then you will be able to log in to your Full Sail online account. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how we log into Full Sail online. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.